The very first thing you have to do early in the morning is to defeat your bed. Because if you are not going to defeat your bed, how would you be able to defeat all the negativities of the world? I know that most of you are in love with your bed, so make them up. Because it will provide you a sense of responsibility, sense of discipline. And without sense of responsibility and sense of discipline, you are not going to work well in your life. Then go for your morning prayers, go for walks, go for exercises, and then sit on a bench and watch the sun rising and shining, filling the world with warmth, with light, with hope, with happiness, with positivity. And feel that one day you're going to be like the sun, filling the souls of others with light, with hope, with happiness, with positivity. And remember what you think you become. If you would be thinking like this, one day you would be like the sun, spreading the positivity everywhere, spreading the hope everywhere, spreading the love everywhere. And then come back to home and have a proper nutrition, proper breakfast. No honey, I'll be having my tea at my office. No. You have to do a proper breakfast, because as every machinery needs fuel to run out, so does human body, so does human mind. If you are not going to provide them with proper nutrition, they are not going to work well for you. Provide them with proper nutrition, with proper food, with proper breakfast, and then be kind to others. Oh no, I am in self-love. I can't be kind to anyone, to everyone. No, you have to be kind to others, because a selfish person, a weak person can't be kind to others. Only a brave person, a selfless person can be kind to others. And remember, what you give others eventually comes back knocking at your own door, and then you would be like, I haven't done this. And that karma will show you the bigger picture of what you have done. If you are going to do the good with others, it will show you the good, bigger picture, better picture. And if you are going to do wrong with others, it is going to show you the bigger evil. Because karma is watching you. It is not going to leave you anywhere. So be kind to everyone. Be kind to others. All the day, all of your life, think about others, for the happiness of others. You would feel granted. You would be felt like you are filled with everything you want, with satisfaction, with mental peace. And then go for a collective win. All the leaders in life, all the leaders in the world, think for others. A person can't be a good leader if he is only thinking about himself, that I should be the one who wins, I should be the one who tops, I should be the one who achieves. No, dear. Go for a collective win, that if I am going to be the successful, my brother, my friend, everybody around me should be successful. And then you become a good leader. Then people will start following you, praising you. And if they are not praising you, you will feel self-satisfied. You will feel mental peace. And this is the thing everybody needs in their life the most.